Stair push-up progressions. You can also do this on a bench. The first one is an elevated push-up. This is going to be a little bit easier than a push-up on the ground. Hands right beneath your armpits, control down, let the shoulder blades come back, drive through, think about squeezing the chest, nice and controlled. The next one, go down and do a push-up. As you push up, you're going to rotate inward and kick that foot out. So we're working a little bit more of the abs here as we're stabilizing on one leg. Next one here, Spider-Man push-up. Your same knee goes to the same side as that elbow. Tuck that in, abs nice and tight. Control down, drive up. Keep repeating that on each side. The next motion is an up and down push-up. So you're going to do an elevated push-up, then walk your hands back with your feet, then go right into a regular push-up. Walk forward towards that bench or the stair. Go right back into a push-up. Keep repeating this motion.
Da 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 da.